In this session, I already have a DFS setup. I'm going to add a existing VM in as a replication partner. So in this particular VM, I have just installed the feature. Let me show you. So under file share, there is a feature for DFS namespace and DFS replication. I have already installed that, and I have also attached a disk, which is where I want the data to be saved. So I need to basically add it to the existing replication group. So far I'm basically replicating these two folders, HR and marketing. So under the HR there is something called new member. I'm going to add the new member, which is going to be VM0, the first one. Move next. Let me just quickly check if the new member is already part of a domain. Yeah, the new member is already joined to the domain. Okay, so select the member that will replicate with the new member. So I can go ahead and select this. In fact, I can select both replication groups. This is what I want to set. I want to set the local path. We can go ahead and create the similar structure here, just the way it is created. So it is going to be the share 01 and then HR. So I'm going to create it here, share 01. After that I can create HR. Okay, so let me refresh this. Create share folder. Done. Okay, so now this server is also added to this particular share. Okay, so I am expecting that it should automatically pick up the data. So I'll give it some time. Let me pause the recording. Okay, as we can see that even after giving it sufficient time, the file has not been replicated. So there seems to be some configuration issue. So I'm going to remove this VM which I just attached. So disable this and let me remove this. Interesting. Okay, yes, I have removed it, and this is also removed from the replication member. So what I'm going to do now, I need to add. So add target folder, part to folder target. So this I'm going to add here, VM 0. This is the VM. Okay, and I'm going to, okay, now before I add it here, I need to just do one more thing. I'll go here and type here computer management. So under the computer management, there is a shared. Under shares, there is something called HR. I will stop sharing this. Okay. Now once this is done, I will go to this VM01, and under VM01 I will go ahead and add target folder, and this time I'm going to add the target as VM0. I'm going to select the folder. This is going to be HR. Add target folder to the replication group. Yes, we need to add it. Select the private direction. Whether we can do full mesh for all members. So this is again adding the member, and once this is done, I would expect that this folder should have some data. So let's wait for this to complete. So this is added here, and if I just go, and this is also added under the replication group. So let's wait for this to complete. So the files are not yet replicated. I'll just wait for this to complete. So far everything looks good. Under the namespaces also I could see these are the three members, and under the replication also I could see these are three members. So it should actually replicate the data in some time. We'll just wait. Now you can see after some time the files are replicated to this server as well. So yeah, this concludes the practical how to add the VM to the existing replication group in DFS. Thank you.